Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given this equation, and we're asked, of these four, which of the following is perpendicular to the graph of this equation? So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find the slope, because we know the slope of two lines that are perpendicular to each other are negative reciprocals. So that means the slope of one times the slope of the other is going to be equal to -1. So first we have to find the slope of this. We want to get it into the form y is equal to mx plus b, and then the coefficient of x, which is m, is going to be the slope. So we have -2x plus 3y equals 6. We want to get the 2x to the other side, so we add 2x to both sides, which gives us 3y is equal to 2x plus 6. And if we divide everything by 3 to get y alone, these will cancel, and we get y is equal to 2/3 x plus 6/3 is plus 2. What we're looking for here is the slope, which is 2/3. We know that 2/3 times the slope of one of these lines is going to be equal to -1. Multiply this by 3/2, multiply this by 3/2, 3's cancel, 2's cancel. We get m is equal to -1 times 3/2 is -3/2. So we're looking for an equation of a line where the slope is -3/2. So we just have to go through and do the same thing we did here, where we get it into slope-intercept form, where it's y is equal to mx plus b. So let's start with A. We have 3x plus 2y equals 6. So we want to get y alone. Right, we want to have y is equal to everything else. So we subtract 3x from both sides, and you get 2y is equal to -3x plus 6. You can write 6 minus 3x, but I want to get it into this form. You have the x term first. Dividing by 2 everywhere gives us y alone is equal to -3/2 x plus 6/2 is plus 3. And we've actually found it. The slope of this line is -3/2, which means it is the opposite reciprocal of 2/3, which is the slope of this line, which means this line and this line are perpendicular to each other, which means A is going to be your final answer.